a nearby utility pole shielded them just in time, helping them escape unscathed as the car crashed into it. Always be cautious and aware of your surroundings before getting out of the car to avoid unexpected dangerous situations. Be cautious when stopping in areas with limited visibility, especially near large vehicles, to avoid dangerous collisions. A truck carrying a large concrete block suddenly slammed on the brakes to stop at a red light, causing the block to slide off and crush a Tesla parked next to it. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but the Tesla's front was heavily damaged. Always be cautious when driving near large trucks, especially when they are carrying bulky loads that can shift easily. Never take risks by crossing the road when other vehicles are approaching. Always observe carefully and follow traffic rules to avoid accidents. Always check your surroundings when reversing to avoid collisions and ensure safety for your The car driver was indecisive, causing a collision with two motorcycles on the road. Fortunately, no serious injuries occurred. Always drive decisively and avoid uncertain maneuvers to protect yourself and others. The car with the dashcam lost focus, failing to brake in time and collided with two motorcycles ahead. The crash caused three motorcyclists to fall onto the road, fortunately only sustaining minor injuries. Always stay focused while driving and brake in time to prevent accidents for yourself and others. Despite the vehicles ahead moving slowly due to an accident, the truck driver did not reduce speed and kept honking. As a result, the container truck with the dashcam collided 3 times with the Lexus LX, causing it to crash into the truck in front. In traffic congestion, stay calm, reduce speed, and avoid continuous honking, which creates tension and danger for everyone. The truck and sedan were driving parallel when the truck driver suddenly signaled to change lanes without checking, causing a collision with the sedan. The impact caused the sedan to spin and crash into the concrete barrier. Always check carefully before changing lanes to avoid accidents for yourself and others. The truck in front suddenly lost control, collided with a car in the same lane, and then swerved towards the dashcam-equipped car. Fortunately, the dashcam driver quickly reversed to avoid the collision. In emergencies, react swiftly and decisively to avoid danger and ensure your safety. Make sure to engage the handbrake before leaving the car. This is really important. It's a small action, but can easily be forgotten by those who are new to owning a car. Keep doing it consistently. A tanker truck lost two wheels, creating a hazard for oncoming vehicles. Fortunately, no accidents occurred. Always maintain a safe distance and stay alert on the road. Always stay calm, control your vehicle, and pay attention to your surroundings, especially when encountering others or in unexpected situations. Don't let panic or lack of focus increase the risk of an accident. A simple accidental throttle can lead to serious consequences. Without proper observation can be dangerous. A moment of inattention can lead to an accident. Failing to observe properly before moving can lead to accidents. Always check your surroundings before turning or changing lanes to avoid endangering others. Always turn off the engine and check the kickstand before getting off the bike, and be careful not to touch the throttle to avoid accidents. Slow down and maintain control of your bike when navigating curves. Security footage captures a tense moment when a man was refueling, and the store's roof was suddenly blown off by strong winds, falling right near him. Sensing the danger, the man and a gas station employee quickly ran inside, narrowly escaping harm. The scene left everyone who witnessed it on edge. Fortunately, a pedestrian below managed to avoid the motorcycle, narrowly escaping danger. Avoid stopping in areas with limited visibility to prevent being in the driver's blind spot, ensuring safety for yourself and others. Always check the bike before starting and make sure children don't grab the throttle to prevent unexpected dangerous situations. In unexpected situations, always be ready to react and avoid danger to ensure your safety and the safety of others. Sudden and thoughtless actions can lead to unnecessary risks. Always be cautious and respect other vehicles on the road.